Well, for one thing, fat is necessary for the development of your brain, especially in the first few years of your life. When you looked at skin cells under a microscope, do you remember seeing the layer of fat cells? A thin layer of fat underneath your skin acts like a blanket, providing you with insulation or protection and warmth. Fat stores energy in your body and helps keep your skin healthy too. So you see, fat is an important nutrient, but only you need very small amounts of it. Your body can make most of its building blocks from carbohydrates and proteins. After about the age of 2, you need to be very careful not to eat too much fat because that might cause you to gain too much weight. So far, you learned that the body needs 4 basic nutrients to grow and stay healthy. What are they? Shout them out at your screen. Nice job. Water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are not the only nutrients your body needs. There are other important nutrients that are also essential or important for life. They are called vitamins and minerals. Your body needs less of them, but if you don't get enough vitamins and minerals, you can become sick. Long ago, sailors, or people who sailed or lived on boats, lived on a diet of only biscuits and salty meats while they were out at sea. They began to suffer from bleeding gums, right next to your teeth, and their bones became very weak. Once they added lemons and limes to their diet, the sailors became much better. Why do you think that is? Citrus fruits like lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits gave the sailors vitamin C, and they needed that to keep their blood vessels, gums, and teeth healthy. Vitamin C also helps build tissue to fight germs. That's why your mom or dad might give you extra orange juice if you feel like you're catching a cold. If you aren't a big fan of citrus fruits, broccoli and tomatoes are also good choices to make sure you're getting enough vitamin C. Letters of the alphabet, like the letter C, are used for many vitamins. There's vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, and E, and so many more. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin and helps you see more clearly at night. Dairy products, carrots, and dark leafy green vegetables contain lots of vitamin A. There are many different vitamin Bs. Vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, and so on. The B vitamins, mostly found in meat, help to keep your body performing lots of different functions. For example, vitamin B12 helps to make red blood cells. Vitamin D, found in fish and egg yolks, helps to build strong bones. Most of the vitamins you need come from vegetables, fruits, and grains. All vitamins are essential or important in small doses or amounts. If you have a healthy diet, you are probably getting all the vitamins that you need. Fluoride is a mineral that is often added to public drinking water. It is contained in some toothpaste and mouthwash as well. This is because fluoride helps prevent your teeth from decaying. Your body needs small amounts of different minerals, such as fluoride, to provide specific body functions. Besides fluoride, other minerals include calcium, sodium, and iron. You can help your teeth and bones stay strong by eating foods rich in calcium. Milk, broccoli, and almonds are good choices. Sodium, found in table salt, bacon, and lots of soup broths, helps to regulate your body's fluids. Then again, too much salt is not good for you either. It causes the body to hold on to too much fluid, which can cause high blood pressure. If you feel weak, look pale, or get tired easily, you may need more iron. Eat more red meat, whole grains, and beans. Iron helps the blood carry oxygen throughout the body and helps the body fight infections. Each one of these minerals provides important nutrients for your body. As with vitamins, you can get most of the minerals you need by eating a healthy diet. That's what we will talk about next time we meet, the best foods for you to eat.